You unlock this door with the key of ownership. At least that's what you've been led to believe. Beyond it lies a shadowy dominion where possession is an illusion, where control is conditional, and where the right to repair is not a right at all, but a privilege revoked at will. Question the right to repair. Enter stage left. A young and hopeful Albertan farmer. Naive, perhaps. Reckless, maybe. But one thing is certain. Her admiration for John Deere is unwavering. A childhood dream manifested in steel and machinery, now parked at her farm. A 506-7E John Deere utility tractor, a machine in distress, a machine of promise, and today she intends to fix it. But this tractor is no simple beast of burden, no, it is something more. Like the ant that signals the colony in peril, the John Deere calls home when touched by unauthorized hands. And in the halls of a corporate stronghold, an alarm is heard, a decision is made. From somewhere unseen, an agent is dispatched. No badge, no conscience. An executioner with a license to kill. But this is not a crime of violence, no. An affront to the invisible hand that holds the wrench. And so the tractor dies, not by rust, not by failure, but by remote command. Somewhere, in a final twist of cosmic irony, the John Deere agent's own Apple iPhone falters. A casualty of the very same machine-bound fate. Desperate, he attempts the unthinkable. He takes a bite of his own forbidden fruit, but there is nothing to savior. No sustenance, no salvation. Welcome to the Twilight Zone.